Hey everyone, welcome to Online Help Guide. Today in this video, I'm gonna show you how to connect Messenger to Instagram. So let's get started. To connect Messenger to Instagram, first you need to open up Facebook application. Now tap on your profile icon at the top right corner of your screen. Tap on the gear icon. Then tap on the search icon. In the search bar, type in Account Center and perform a search. Tap on it. Now select Set up Account Center option. Now select Instagram account to add. Then tap on the Continue button at the bottom of your screen. Go to the information first. And if you are sure, tap on Yes, Finish Adding option. And this is how you can connect Messenger to Instagram. Thanks for watching Online Help Guide. If you like this video, hit the like button and drop a comment with any questions or feedback. If you are new, subscribe and click the bell icon to stay updated on the future videos.